Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a teeny tiny unboxing for you from Etsy. So this is a brand new craft to me from a brand new company. So let's get inside and see. So this comes to me from the Beadology Shop UK. And the cardin, that's their Etsy shop, but it's the Beaded Garden is what it says here. So very nice to get a little personalised thank you, happy beading from Amanda. Thank you very much. So yeah, for more craft kits, please visit thebeadedgarden.co.uk. And this is the kit that I have purchased. So it says, create something beautiful, the Beaded Garden, a poppy beaded flower craft kit. Now, poppies are my favourite. And so they had lots to choose from, but I was like, I've got to get the poppies. And hopefully I'll get them done before Remembrance. So they will be ready for then. So what have we got in here? We've got our tiny little seed beads in red and black. We've got some what I assume is like a florist tape. We've got thin wire and thick wire, and our instructions. So hopefully this will be nice and simple. Whether I'm brave enough to give this a go on a live stream or not, I'm not sure, but we will see. It does look like perhaps once you're into the swing of it, it could be quite a relaxing craft. So am I going to need anything else? A ruler and something to cut the wire with. But it all seems quite straightforward. These are lovely instructions with colour illustrations, which is really nice. Yeah, so it looks deceptively simple, but I would think that once this is the technique that you've learned, there's probably, you know, lots of other ways to, you know, once you've learned to make one flower, you can probably make lots of different flowers. So yeah, so this is my plan, is to make these lovely red and black poppies. The kit itself was, let me just check, it was £10. And was there, I'm just going to check the shipping. Shipping was £2. But I did what I always recommend people do, particularly on Etsy, pop it in your cart, leave it for a little bit, and you might be lucky enough to be offered a little discount voucher, which is what I was able to do. So I got a little bit of a discount. I think it was 10%, which was greatly received. And yeah, I'm very much looking forward to working on this. You know, I'm always looking for a new craft, and this will be another one to add to my arsenal, hopefully. So yeah, let me know if you've tried anything like this. I, many years ago, worked in a bead shop, so I've got sort of a knowledge of jewellery making, but I've never done sort of sculptural beadwork particularly. So yeah, this will be an interesting thing to try out. So yeah, let me know down below what you think. If you were going to make some flowers, what flowers would you want to make? And do go check out their Etsy store and their website as well. See if there's anything that takes your fancy. And then of course, let me know if you purchase anything. I am not sponsored, not affiliated with this company, just trying out something new and thought I'd share it with you. So thanks for joining me today. I always appreciate your input when I'm trying these new crafts. So do remember to leave a comment, a like, and share with a friend. Thanks as always to those of you over on Patreon and here as YouTube members. You guys are the best. If you want to join them, links down below, you know what to do. And until next time, stay crafty.